What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of WLAT Productions. Today is an awesome day because guess what? I get to open up my Xmaxx. Now, I'm not going to do a big old huge unboxing video like everyone else. We're going to do a very quick one because I just want to drive this thing, and you guys have seen a whole bunch of them. Other than that, let's get to it. Alright, everybody, let's check out the self-riding feature and see how it goes. Other than that, man, I really appreciate you guys watching. Nothing but love. Make sure to subscribe and like. See y'all next time. Peace. I'm out of here.